Hi guys, I'm Sarita and welcome back to this new episode. This is episode number 2 of the PC Repair series. This was an Italian series, but I'm doing an English episode because I just want to do an English episode. Today we are at my friend's house, which is right next to the school. And we have to do a heatsink replacement because actually, as he told me, during a cleaning operation, one of his cleaning operations, he broke off the fan, so it's making a terrible noise, and we're going to inspect it right now. So I'm going to see you there. Number 2, meet my friend.
Hello.
Today
we are fixing a fan on this computer.
Yeah, what happened here?
The fan is broken.
Let's see, where's the fan?
This is the
power supply. Yeah, we gotta get it down. We need to
You just do it like this.
Okay, let's go. And okay, yes, there is this one which is making noise.
This broken fan is making noise, and
because
we're
it's
gonna.
not
this is
balanced.
the SSD.
Okay, this is really bad. It has not balanced. Let's try to fix it. Video number 3. We just got the CPU freed up from the thermal paste, and I've got the fan. Still, is broken. Actually, look at
Just
here.
a part.
Look at here. It's something probably might be scratching here.
Wait, what if we put this fan?
Onto
Because, like,
here.
Look.
It's not actually.
You see some screws here?
Yes, one screw here, 2 screws, 3
Yeah,
screws.
but I gotta check the size. I think it's smaller, right?
Yeah, it's a bit small.
Double.
Double fan.
It is, but yeah, it is.
We are thinking about this fan too, which might be causing.
put both.
Wait.
fans.
Wait. Let me hear. No, it's not this one. It's this one for sure, but. Does it go anywhere? It's balanced. Because you see, guys, this switch is causing a misbalance. One thing we can do, in my opinion, is
We could clean the.
compressed air.
We don't need compressed air.
No, we need just to get blowing first. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to get some ice because I wanted to show something to Joel too, but he's too afraid. So, apparently, accessories have got wonderful thermal conductivity. So if you put a block of ice here, it's going to instantly melt.
Yeah, I know.
It's true. One time, yesterday, my CPU was at about 50 degrees. I caused the antivirus and it went from 50 to 38 in 2 seconds. Yes, it's true. Okay, guys, I see you when the heatsink is back here. Hello, hairs. We're connecting all the wires now. So, what did we do, Joel, in the end?
In the end, we took off the bad thermal paste that was in this PC.
Yeah.
We updated it, and we wanted to change the heatsink, but
No.
the one we had found was not compatible.
Sadly.
Yeah. This VGA cable is.
Not going in.
Yeah.
You cannot use HDMI with this computer?
Yeah, you can use it, but there is not an HDMI thing. This is the keyboard PS2.
Ah, Bistro keyboard. Better than nothing.
Yeah.
And
Let's
then,
connect first of all the Ethernet.
we have got the last cable, right?
Printer, no.
This is the mouse. No, this is not.
No.
It's the printer. Yes, just hate it. I completely get
This cable doesn't get in.
Okay. Probably.
Oh, that was a SATA port.
Yeah, probably one. What's going on? Okay.
Okay, I think
Are we done?
there are not other cables.
Okay. In 3. 1, 2. Better than nothing. What? Okay, 1 beep. Okay. Starting now. Still, we have got some problems. Probably one cable is going.
That line is normal.
Why? Is the monitor?
No. Look, it disappeared. It's noisier now, no?
What's that normal?
Should we check it?
Indeed. Okay, guys, I see you after this. Guys, so you can hear it. Literally. It's silent. So the main problem here was that there was a cable, the power supply cable, probably the 24-pin connector, that was making a contact with the fan when he got it assembled.
Now it is not booting.
Right. Disk is dead. Disk is dead.
Disk not working.
No, disk is dead. Look, disk is dead. The disk is right here. It's not working.
No, it can't be that. Let's reboot it.
Can't right, can't. Not right. Okay, guys, we fixed one problem. We created another problem. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, disk. You keep an eye on the disk, I keep an eye here.
Okay.
There it is, nice booting. It should be boot. What? You hear that?
What?
Well, that's the fan.
No. It just powered up.
I cannot hear anymore.
No, it is working.
Yes, I hear it now. It just did. Okay, now guys, desktop, which is wonderful. Okay, now that we fixed this problem, let's push this computer to the maximum of its ability.
Such as doing what?
I don't know.
It works fine.
Yeah. Probably doing a benchmark or something.
No, benchmark, no.
Yeah, it's gonna die. Anyway, guys, from 0 to 03 is everything. From 0 to 03 and my friend over here, which is gonna wave. It's everything. Remember, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know what do you think about this repair.